Wakas, nasubukan ko na rin tong Wave 8 speaker galing sa Alpha Theta. Kung first time mo ito makita, well, it's a battery-powered loudspeaker na pwede mong kabitan ng DJ gear, microphones, at kung ano-ano pa. The speaker itself has an 8-inch woofer dito sa ilalim, tapos meron siyang tweeter dito sa taas. And round the back, meron volume knob, meron Bluetooth connection dito, meron kang EQ that you can use to adjust, tapos meron din siyang Sonic Link. Kung hindi ka pamilyar sa Sonic Link, it's basically an ultra-low latency wireless connection developed by Alpha Theta. That means you can connect to the speaker using something like the XDJ AZ or the Omnis Duo, tapos pwede kang tumugtog wirelessly. And kung gumagamit ka ng controller na walang Sonic Link, it comes with a transmitter. So, kailangan mo lang ikabit itong Sonic Link transmitter sa output ng DJ controller mo. Ito, meron siyang RCA inputs. And then, magbo-broadcast to papunta doon sa Wave 8 speaker. Sabi ko kanina, may iba pa siyang connectivity. So, buksan natin itong likod. Meron siyang pares na combo XLR or TRS jacks. Tapos, meron siyang quarter inch or yung PL na mic. Pati meron din siyang line out na XLR. So, kung gusto mo to i-series or i-chain sa isa pang speaker, whether that's a Wave 8 or another PA, you can do it.